You guys have repeatedly been asking me to show you how to properly season a Blackstone, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. We're gonna start by removing the top from it and cleaning it really well with soap and water and a scrub pad to get any kind of shipping oils or any contaminants that might be on the metal surface off. I turn the heat on to drop all the water and also to warm up the griddle. So you can really season with any oil that you like, but I'm gonna be using the Blackstone griddle seasoning, and then we'll get this spread around all over. I'd just take paper towels and use them in some tongs and spread that over. The key is to have it nice and thin. You don't want any pooling or puddling. You basically want to spread it on and then wipe off almost as much as you can. Making sure that you cover the sides. I'm also gonna get outside of these lips as well. You see I took a second paper towel here and I'm just wiping it down again just to make sure there's no pooling of the seasoning. Now turn the gas on high. We're gonna leave it on until it starts smoking, and then we're gonna leave the heat on until the smoke starts slowing down, letting us know that that layer has been burned in. I'm gonna turn the Blackstone down to low, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply another layer and get everything spread around, and I'll come back with a dryer paper towel and wipe up all the excess. I have a benzomatic propane torch, and I'm actually gonna use this to get the front edge seasoned. All right, our smoke is cleared again. I'm gonna turn it back down to low. This is round 3. I'm actually just gonna use what's on the rag this time and see if that's enough. All right, so we're gonna do one more layer. They recommend at least 3 or 4. So I'm gonna turn off the gas. You can see we have a nice dark brown or black surface across the whole thing. After 4 rounds of seasoning, I'm gonna call it fully seasoned. It's nice and dark in the center, and it's got a dark brown around the edges. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section. I'll always try to respond to those, and y'all have a great day. If you enjoyed this video, you're gonna love the rest, and you can get started by clicking that one at the top of the screen. I would also be honored if you would subscribe to my channel by clicking the button at the bottom.